How to delete KreditBee account. In today's quick video, I am going to guide you through the process of permanently deleting your KreditBee account if you no longer needed it. I will break it down step by step to make it super simple. Let's get started. First thing first, you will need to find the official KreditBee support email address. Just do a quick search online for KreditBee support email and write it down, and as we will need it in a comment. Next, open your Gmail app or whatever email client you use and hit the compose button to start a new email. In the to field, enter that KreditBee support email you found. Double check to make sure it's correct to avoid any mix-up. Now it's time to write a clear and concise request to delete your account. In the email body, include your full name, the address tied to your account. If you want a template, you can use something like subject will be written as request to delete my KreditBee account, dear KreditBee support. I would like to permanently delete my account, and your details will be mentioned after this. Feel free to tweak it as needed. Once your email is ready, hit send and you are done. KreditBee support email will take it from there to process your account deletion, and that's it. Super easy. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more handy tutorials, and drop any question in the comments below. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.